Hello YouTube, back again with another video. Today we have 5 items to get with the 30% off coupon under $10 at Harbor Freight with the new coupon. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool deals, more tool reviews, Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the first one. The first item that we have is the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive 8-piece impact socket set. Either you can get SAE or metric. These are nice sockets. Pretty much you're gonna get them under under $10, so $9.99. As you can see, they do have a nice finish on the outside, and they are impact rated. Seems to be pretty solid sockets. Probably a little bit tougher than your regular chrome sockets. Alright, the next item that we have is that we have the 7mm nitrile disposable gloves for just under $10, which is $9.99. It says industrial use, textured fingertips, powder free, superior protection. So these are your heavier duty light mechanic or mechanic use, heavy duty use. The next item that we have is the slip joint pliers. Pretty much the 12-inch or groove joint pliers, the 12-inch from Doyle. Like I said, I do own these pliers. They are great. Pretty much it's a good product, and I'm going over a year on these already, or just about close to a year. The next item that we have is these impact rated 5-piece nut sellers from Bauer. If you do woodworking and if you have an impact wrench, these are very useful because you can just pretty much the screws you can screw them on with an impact. There's a lot of lags and stuff like that. Even nuts, bolts, you can screw just about anything. The next item is that we have is the set of 4 6-feet cam Tiedowns, 400-pound capacity by Hallmaster. I do own not these, but I do own other ones from Harbor Freight. They served me quite well. I still have them. But I gotta give these guys a try. These guys are under $10. Seems to be pretty good quality. I like the hooks. You know, they got plastic over the metal. I know I said 5 items, but we got 6 items. So I'll give you guys a bonus item, so you guys could go and get. Just remember, you can get 5 items per day. So you got plenty of days to go get your 5 items. If you guys haven't checked out my other video, I do have another video. I'll link it up above or down in the description section. Make sure you guys watch that one too. So those are other 5 items you can get with 30% off. Alright, the next item that we have is the Pittsburgh Pro 3/8 3-piece wobble impact socket extension sets. There's a lot of you out there complaining that the wobble extensions or the Pittsburgh brake. Well, try these. These are the impact rated, so these are supposed to be stronger. Stronger than your regular chrome extension set. So that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.